Could the momentum from Shiba Inu, SHIB, Dogecoin, Doge, and JetBolt, JBolt, sow this bull run? With Shiba Inu's impressive 105.7% rally this year, speculations arise as it tips near the death cross area. Meanwhile, President-elect Donald Trump's pledge to make the US the crypto capital of the world could boost Dogecoin's mainstream adoption and market confidence. As new faces gain increased traction, JetBolt is making a name of its own. With an impressive pre-sale with more than 215 million tokens sold and equipped with zero-gas technology, JetBolt is amongst the rising stars gaining the attention of crypto whales. Will Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, or JetBolt take the lead? Keep on reading as we discuss which meme coin will sow this bull run. Shiba Inu inches closer to death cross pattern. Shiba Inu's SHIB price now approaches critical support at the 50 EMA, just around $0.000025, a level historically associated with potential recovery. SHIB fans believe this technical marker could provide a foundation for Shiba Inu to regain momentum, with its most bullish proponents even arguing it could potentially double its value in the next bull run. However, Doge has also faced a significant pullback in December, with a 1.6% dip in the last 24 hours and a nearly 20% correction over the past 30 days. The recent downturn has raised concerns about its ability to maintain momentum, with analysts divided on the short-term outlook. Final thoughts: which meme coin will sow this bull run? Shiba Inu's technical indicators suggest a crucial turning point, with its fate hanging in the balance as it hovers near a death cross pattern based on technical analysts. Dogecoin, buoyed by Elon Musk's influence and Trump's pro-crypto policies, has potential catalysts for growth but faces headwinds from recent price corrections. JetBolt, on the other hand, offers a fresh narrative with groundbreaking zero-gas technology and robust pre-sale momentum. However, signs of a deeper bearish trend are emerging. On SHIB's price chart, a death cross is forming. This pattern is often seen as an indication of strengthening bearish momentum and the onset of a medium-term downtrend. Analysts warn that if the 50 EMA support fails, the token could face further declines, dampening recovery prospects. As the death cross takes shape, Shiba Inu finds itself at a critical juncture, with the coming days likely to determine whether it can rally back or continue its descent. Will JetBolt soar with the 2025 bull run? From zero gas to hero status, JetBolt, JBolt, enters with a hot debut thanks to innovative zero-gas technology and robust Web3 utilities. Having surpassed 200 million tokens sold during its pre-sale, JBolt's meteoric rise underscores the growing demand for utility-driven next-gen crypto solutions. JetBolt's zero-gas technology, powered by Scale, eliminates gas fees entirely, offering users a seamless and gas-free on-chain blockchain experience. This simplifies blockchain interactions for users. Simultaneously, this groundbreaking Scale technology could also provide developers with an efficient edge for building DeFi, NFT, SocialFi, and other Web3 applications. JetBolt also has a Web3 wallet, featuring integrations like WebAuthn and face recognition. Early buyers during the pre-sale phase enjoy exclusive perks, such as alpha boxes offering up to 25% extra tokens for batch purchases. With a fully operational ecosystem right from launch, JetBolt combines cutting-edge technology with practical benefits, setting itself apart in the crowded altcoin market. Could Trump's crypto policies influence Dogecoin's future? Dogecoin, Doge, saw a 243.3% increase in 2024, now trading at $0.3151. Elon Musk's role in the Department of Government Efficiency, D.O.G.E., under the Trump administration has fueled speculation about its future. With Trump's pro-crypto policies and a vision for fostering a crypto-friendly landscape, Dogecoin may see growth under favorable regulatory changes anticipated in 2025. Doge's 7-day price chart from CoinGecko recovering from a sharp dip earlier this week.